How to set up purchase verification on Google Play. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can easily uh, set up a Google Play purchase verification. First thing first, you need to go ahead and open up your Play Store. And once you open it up, make sure that you are logged into your account. Once logged in, you just basically have to tap on the profile icon at the top right corner and then tap on payments and subscription. So what it does is it's going to take you to another page where you have to check first whether you have added a payment method or not. I'll just go over here and check the payment method. Once you've added it, go over to the verification tab and just tap on purchase verification. From there, as you can see, I've already turned on the biometric verification, but let me just quickly turn it off first. In order to turn it on, you just have to tap on this toggle and then provide your fingerprint once, and you'll be set. That's pretty much it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below, subscribe to our channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.